In today's video, I'm going to show you how full of shit Amazon gurus trying to teach you online arbitrage actually are, you know? I said it in previous videos. Today we are going to talk about tactical arbitrage a little bit, but I really want to expose Amazon gurus and how trash they are. Because I said it in previous videos. There's a reason why content creators on Amazon do not make videos on tactical arbitrage, and the reason was pretty simple: is that tactical arbitrage stopped their affiliate program. They were not accepting new content creator, and because of that, of course, nobody is trying to make content on them. Also, to be 100% honest, tactical arbitrage is not as easy as a sell. If you want to promote some stuff, it's not as easy to promote as something that's like Seller Amp that is destined to be used by new sellers, right? And it's super easy to sell to new sellers because it's a profit calculator. You can do a lot of shit with tactical with Seller Amp, right? But the point of this video, because I really want to show you, it's actually crazy, like if you think about it, and it should show you how full of shit these guys are. The whole reason why there were not, as I said, the whole reason why people were always making the same videos and always making the same content, whether it is on Twitter, whether it is on Instagram, whether it is on TikTok, whether it is on YouTube about Seller Amp and about starting to sell on Amazon, is because, of course, and it's nothing wrong with that, you know. Seller Amp has a great affiliate program, but at the end of the day, you know, like the only reason why people were not making content on tactical arbitrage is just because they did not have an affiliate program. Before we actually dive into it, because I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit more about tactical arbitrage. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I actually make helpful videos for free right there on YouTube to teach you how to become a 7-figure seller, okay? Not like these other guys, all right? So, yeah. If you want to really learn how to become, if you want to subscribe to somebody that does not retain information, just subscribe to this channel, watch the daily videos. You got everything that you need to grow on YouTube. Not to grow on YouTube, but to grow on Amazon, you know? And yeah, I'm not creating content to push you things that, of course, AMP is needed if you're a beginner. It's a great tool to have if you're a beginner, you know, 100%. I'm actually part of the affiliate program. But if you look on my channel, I actually made a ton of videos on tactical arbitrage without having an affiliate link. Okay, I'm not just making stuff. I'm not just making videos. I'm not just making content on stuff that I actually get money on, you know. I'm actually trying to be helpful, because at the end of the day, you know, and of course I have an interest to teach you how to become how to sell on Amazon, because at the end of the day, if you want to grow faster, I have my coaching program, and of course I don't care if you consume all my content and you never get to my coaching program, but at the end of the day, you know, I have I have an incentive, of course, and also have a software to help you source, and I'm not even going to mention in this video. But yeah, like at the end of the day, yes, of course I have an incentive, but I'm not trying to sell you some stuff when on every single video, you know. Join my coaching program, all right? So as I said, if you actually look at it, because I think that a lot of people that are, and I watched a couple of recent videos on tactical arbitrage, and people were saying that, you know, tactical arbitrage for 2 years was not as good as it was before. It's 100% false, okay? I've been sourcing with tactical arbitrage ever since I started doing online arbitrage, and I've been finding a lot of leads through tactical arbitrage, okay? So it's 100% bullshit, all right? So this is something that you need to remember. And of course, in the last few months, tactical arbitrage made some changes and you do not have minutes anymore, so you can scan as much as you want with tactical arbitrage without an issue, which is, it's debatable, okay, if it's a great switch or not, because you could buy minutes in the past, and I think that this is one of the reasons maybe why people were not using it, because they were using their minutes like the wrong way. And so, of course, tactical arbitrage is a tool that takes a little bit of time to learn how to use correctly, right? And as I said, I made a ton of money with tactical arbitrage, with leads from tactical arbitrage. But because people, like, I don't know, check my other videos on tactical arbitrage if you want to really learn about this stuff. But yeah, because today the main thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is how full of shit these guys are. And you should really look at, you know, the people that you actually consume the content. Is the content really like educative, or are they really trying to monetize everything that they can? Are they just super affiliate trying to promote every single thing? Even if a software is trash, if the affiliate program pays good enough, they're going to promote it to you. This is what you should look at. Like, all the tools that I talk about are tools that I actually use, you know, and I do have an affiliate program. For example, I made a ton of videos on tactical arbitrage. As I said, I did not have an affiliate link. I just applied. I don't know if I'm going to be accepted, and I don't really care. I'll still make videos on tactical arbitrage whether I'm accepted or not. Maybe I should not say that, but it's just for you, because maybe it can play against me, because they will say, well, why are we going to pay this guy if he's still going to make some content on it, you know? Yeah. You need to really look at the incentive people have when trying to teach you stuff, right? When you consume their content. If there are just some super affiliate guys that are just pushing every single affiliate things that they have, and they are not creating anything worth of value, at the end of the day, you know, you do not have you do not get the right information from them. This is really something that you should look at. Same thing, if you are being 100% honest. Same thing on Twitter. I've been a little bit more active on Twitter in the last few days, so perfect timing. Just subscribe to my Twitter, subscribe to me on Twitter over there. There's going to be a giveaway pretty soon, so if I were you, I would join. Because it's going to be something that I'm not going to talk too much, but it's going to be really interesting. Really, really interesting if you sell on Amazon, if you want to sell on Amazon. But yeah, you know, as I was saying, like most of these guys are full of shit, and all the new guys that are, because they closed their affiliate programs, I think, like 2 years ago, right? And it just reopened recently. So most of the new guys that were not talking about online arbitrage, or that did not have an affiliate link, are probably start going to talk about tactical arbitrage. And watch for these guys, because you're gonna be able to see who is full of shit. Right, you are going to be able to figure out who is full of shit. The guys that they've been creating content for a little while, that never talks about tactical arbitrage, and that are going to talk about tactical arbitrage right now, are the guys that are full of shit. And stay away from their content, because they have an incentive which is far away from actually getting people to be successful on Amazon. Of course, you could say that my incentive at the end of the day is to, of course, build my personal brand, make money off my personal brand. But I try to align my incentive with people actually growing, and this is why I actually make you daily videos. Because if you actually look at it, daily videos is not the fastest way to grow. It's the fastest way to build a library of content, but it's not the fastest way to grow. I would grow at this point. At the point that we are at right now, I could just make basic videos like weekly, 1 video weekly or 2 video weekly, like a lot of guys, and grow way faster. You know, I would grow way faster because my videos would be pushed way more. I could work on the videos a little bit more with retention, editing, and all that bullshit, and go outside, do some retail arbitrage. Even though I'm not doing a lot of retail arbitrage, really something that I try not to do. But if I really wanted to grow my audience, I could just do that bullshit and grow my audience way faster, you know? So just so you know. But yeah, I just want to show you how full of shit these guys are, and I've been calling it. You can watch my previous videos. There are some videos where I actually talk about it. I talk about why content creators do not push tactical arbitrage. It was one of the big reasons. You know, tactical arbitrage is a great tool. It's a great tool if you want to source, if you want to find leads. It's easy to find leads once you learn how to use the tool. It's actually easy to use. You know, and so yeah. Great tool to use. And by the way, you know, this is the exact same reason why, you know, for example, I'm pretty sure that I could, for example, if we look at repricing, the one that I recommend is BeCool, because this is the one that I used, and I've never used other repricer. But I'm pretty sure that if I pushed Seller Snap, which is more expensive, I would make way more money promoting it. I've never used it. Why am I going to use? The day I start using Seller Snap, if I make the move to Seller Snap, or I was talking with somebody about Aura, the Aura repricer, today actually on Twitter, and so I'm not going to. I know they have an affiliate program as well. Some people promote both. I've never used Aura. I have no idea about the tool. I'm not going to promote it to you. All right, I may try it in the future, but we will figure it out. Same thing with Seller Snap. I'm probably going to make the move to Seller Snap. Once I go really, because right now my repricing is taking me a lot of time, because there are some stuff that would be cool. We'll talk about repricing in another video. I have a ton of videos already talking about repricing. But I just really wanted to emphasize the fact that these guys are full of shit. A lot of these guys are full of shit. Like, if you look at the super affiliate type of guy, and this is always the type of guy that you should stay away from. in any industry, the super affiliate guy, never consume content from those super affiliate guys. It's not this is not where you're gonna get the most value. Okay, just look in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months, the content that is going to come on tactical arbitrage, and see how full of you'll be able to see those guys that are full of shit from 2 miles away. All right, hopefully this video was helpful. Like this, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.